Myself CS Patel from MCGM Virtual Class welcome all of you. Due to the global pandemic, this year's educational session is being affected. In such a situation, our Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation has taken an initiative to provide every student online education. So let's get started. Yes, students, yes, you are seeing standard 9th. Yes, you are seeing my English course book standard 9. Yes, subject English. And today's lesson is the fun they had. Yes, the fun they had. And students, myself, CS Patel from Virtual Training Center, Dadar, Mumbai. So now students, see about the writer of this fiction, The Fun They Had, Isaac Asimov. Students, yes, born, see, October 4, 1919, January 2nd. And students, see, died April 6, 1992, aged 72. Writer, professor of biochemistry. Okay, students, now a few more details see further about the writer. Students, Isaac Asimov was an American writer and professor of biochemistry at Boston University. He was known for his works of science fiction. Asimov wrote hard science fiction. So students, we will practice today. See, we will practice today the lesson The Fun They Had. Students, you are seeing the image that related to schools of future left side. See students, in that you are seeing virtual classroom. Yes, today we are seeing here and there virtual class, but students, in future you will see virtual class in your houses too. Now students, see right side, right down side, moving e-text image. So yes, these are the text, these are the moving text. And left side, down side, see robotic teacher, means future. In future students, these robotic teachers will teach to the students. And students, upper side left, see learning through computers. So these are the students, see norms which will be in we can say schools of the future. Now see a GIF image right side. Yes, you are seeing moving text. See there. And students, in telebook, we means these telebooks are moving text. In future this will be used more and more. Now students, we will come to the lesson The Fun They Had. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary on the page headed 17th May 2157. She wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." So you can see the date 17th May 2157. But now it's 2020. Means students, near about 140 years later, means 17th May 2157. So see, the writer is thinking about this, means what will happen in 17th May 2157. See, in the starting passage, see, Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed 17th May 2157, she wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." So two characters are introduced here. One is Margie, see, Margie, and the next one is Tommy. So yes, today Tommy found a real book. Tommy found a real book means, see students, below side, a real book means actual book. So Tommy found a real book. So it was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. Instantly see that Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that in those days, see, all the stories were printed on paper. But see students, what is happening that age, means in the age of Margie and Tommy. See further, they turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly. So students, crinkly. So the word crinkly means full of wrinkle. See students, see, this is the real book you are seeing, GIF image, right side. So full of wrinkle. Yes, you are seeing very old book. That this is the real book. But in those days, means students, in the age of Tommy and Margie, this book was really amazing for them. Yes, so this was so old. So crinkly means full of wrinkles. And it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way that were supposed to on a screen, because students, they were using e-text, but now they are seeing this old book. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same word on that it had. Means students, in this book, in this real book, they are seeing the words that are stable, but they were using e-text, moving text. So that's different. So yes, they had, when they read it the first time, means they were totally astonished seeing this old book. Now what happened further? "Gee," said Tommy, "what a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have had a millions books on it, and it's good for plenty more." I wouldn't throw it away, "Gee," said Tommy. "What a waste. When you are through with the book. You just throw it away. Means students, after reading this book, this real book or old book, you can say that yes, you will throw it, I guess. But today means our television screen must have had a million books, million beings is many lakhs books on it loaded there, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. Yes. So now see further. Yes, so Margie and Tommy are talking. See, they are saying about the moving text. Same with mine, said Margie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. So students, if I say about Margie, means she is 11 years old, and while Tommy is elder and he is 13 years old. Okay, so keep in your mind. Now see further. She said, where did you find it? See, she means Margie. Where did you find it? In my house. He pointed without looking because he was busy reading in the attic. What is attic? See students, attic means directly under a roof, garret, a room or rooms in attic. That is called attic. So yes, in my house, he pointed, means Tommy pointed without looking because he was busy reading in the attic. What's about it? What's about it? Means Margie was asking, yes, what's in this book? School. Now see here, the word is school. Okay. Now see further. Margie was scornful. School? So one word introduced here, scornful. Scornful means expressing contempt. Scornful means expressing contempt. Margie was scornful. School? What's there to write about school? I hate school. Means she wants to know what's there to write about school. I hate school means she did not like school. So students, see further. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse. Worse means bad and again bad. So worse and worse, until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. So Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more and more than ever. Means now she is totally, she doesn't like her school now, because the reason is that the mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test, but she is not doing well. Yes, so in the geography section, she is doing worse and worse until her mother. Now her mother had shaken her head, means now her mother was ready to call county inspector. Students, county inspectors, if I say yes, so county inspector, yes, is the person who correct, or yeah, you can say who see the drawbacks, who see the drawbacks in that robot system, in that robotic teacher, what are wrongs, or are there any mistakes. So that is county inspector. We will see further. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tool. See students, just like left side image, but something different. Yes, he was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. Means students, a man who is mechanic, means about county inspector. Now he comes. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. Means county inspector gave Margie an apple. Then took the teacher apart. Teacher apart means a teacher. See, that robotic teacher, that mechanical teacher who teaches Margie. Yes, so now then took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right. And after an hour or so, there it was again. Means students, Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again. Means Margie wanted that her robotic computer means should not be ready just after a few minutes or hours. So she wanted what she wanted. See, but what happened? But he knew how all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again. Means whatever the problems in the robotic teacher, yes, so county inspector managed it. So students, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the question were asked. So now again ready for Margie. That wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. Means the part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. See students, what was the problem of Margie? Margie always hated both. See, that slot where she had to put homework and test papers. But see students, if I say about punch code, so work calculation done by punch code very quickly, means in no time. Yes, so this is Margie's mechanical teacher. You can see here. Okay students, so you have seen that how mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. Now students, see, we will practice here. So see, so students, G said, Tommy, what a waste. When you were through with the book, you just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have had a million books on it and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. Same with mine, said Margie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. Now students will practice. So see, thinking about text, answer the following question in few words or a couple of sentences. Question number 1. How old Margie and Tommy? So students now see the text above side and try to answer. So it's practice session. Okay, I think you are ready. You can answer. So try to answer and check your answer. Margie is 11 and Tommy is 13 years old. Okay students, now see further. Now see the next text. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary on the page headed 17 May 2157. She wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." Now this is the text. Read the text, thinking about text, answer the following question in a few words or a couple of sentences. Question number 2. What did Margie write in her diary? So now see the text. What did Margie write in her diary? Yes, I think you can easily write. So Margie wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." Okay, so check your answer. Margie wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." So students, subscribe BMC channel and press the bell icon to get all notifications. Students, we have completed today's session. So work hard. We will meet later. Thank you very much.